Want to learn how to make custom water bottle labels in Canva without cutting? Then keep on watching. Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty. And before we get started, I wanted to make sure that you knew more details about the labels themselves and also to show you a little sneak peek. But you're going to print on Party Printables vinyl die cut labels. It's 8.5 by 1.5. It comes 5 per sheet. It works with inkjet and laser printers, and it also includes a template and print sheet. All right, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have the template and print sheet for these water bottle labels. It's in your order email, but it's also, if you go to the website under templates, you're going to select the last option, template/print sheets for die cut vinyl. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down until we see the one that we want, and it's the 8.5 by 1.5 vinyl labels. You have options. You can use Canva or you can use Photoshop. Now, for Canva or for both of them, there are 2 different options. You can get either horizontal labels. These are perfect for, again, water bottle labels. Or you can get the vertical version, which is perfect if you sell those mini cake pan loaves. So that's just an example, but we're going to get the horizontal version and we're just going to click on it. All right, it's going to pop up and you're going to open it. Mine has different options because I'm the owner. I'm going to click view template. You're going to use the template. Okay, I'm going to open it in the editor. And it's going to pop right up for me. Now, this does have 2 pages and there's some information on here so you can know exactly what to do. So page 1, this is the actual template. Page 2, that's going to be your print sheet. So let's go to page 1. There's some information here that we want to make sure that we pay attention to. So you want to keep all the important text and images within the purple guides. So right now, I don't see any purple guides. I don't see my ruler. So if you don't, you can go to File Settings, click on Show Rulers and Guides, or on your keyboard, just click Shift and the letter R. Right. So right now, I can go ahead and delete this because I don't need it. Okay, next, this is going to represent the center of your design. So if you want all of the important graphics on the front center, you want to make sure you keep it here. And then this would be like wrapping to the left around the back, wrapping on the right side around to the back. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so at this time, you can go ahead and start designing. So I'm probably going to speed this part up some. Now, I went to the uploads folder and uploaded my own designs. If you don't have your own designs, you can go to elements and search for designs. Make sure your background extends to the edges and your important text and graphics are within those purple guides. To add text, just on the left side panel, click T for text. You can change the color, add a stroke, totally up to you. The key thing is make sure the background extends edge to edge and important graphics and text within the guides. If you wanted to, feel free to add a QR code, a barcode, additional text. It's totally up to you. So what we're going to do now is download this. So I'm going to hit share, download. I'm going to download this as a PNG. I like to bring the size up to a 1.625 to give me a true 300 DPI. I'm going to make sure that I'm only downloading the current page, and then I'm going to click on download. Once you have it downloaded, now we're ready to create the print sheet, because you're not going to print this, you're going to print the print sheet, and the print sheet is now on page 2. So we're going to go to page 2 and I'm going to zoom out so I can see. And I'm also going to turn the guidelines off. So on my keyboard, I'm going to click shift so those purple guidelines are not in the way. And then I just downloaded my design. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder and I'm just going to click drag and drop. So what you want to do is just drop it in, okay? So you don't have to rotate it. The print sheet is going to automatically rotate it for you. Now, once I have one put in, I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm just going to add as many as I need to fill this in. So again, you don't have to worry about rotating. It will do it for you. Okay, perfect. Now this is all filled in and we are ready to print. So there's 2 ways that you could do this. You can print directly from Canva. You can go to File, hover over Print, and then you can select Use My Printer. But I personally like to download it to my device. So I'm going to click on Share, Download. The file type, I'm going to change to PDF Print. I'm going to flatten the PDF and select pages. I only want page 2 downloaded. And I'm going to leave color profile at RGB, and I'm going to click on download. Once you've downloaded your PDF file, you're going to go ahead and open it in a PDF reader, and then you're going to print it. So at the top, I'm going to just click on my printer icon. I'm going to make sure under page sizing that actual size is selected. I'm going to select my printer and click on properties or settings. Under paper type or media type, make sure you select glossy photo paper. Quality is standard, paper size is letter. Now, as a reminder, do not click borderless or fit to page. You want to make sure you're printing at default or actual size, then click print. So I printed using my Canon Craft printer. I'll be sure to link this exact one in the description below. But this is what it looks like. Again, 5 per sheet. And all you have to do is print, peel, and apply. No cutting, no scissors, no Cricut, no silhouette. Just print, peel, and apply. And wrap it around. Here's a close-up. Here's another one that I did earlier. So again, we love a simple and easy project like this. So like I said, you can add additional text. You can add a nutritional facts bar, however you want it to design it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll have all the links in the description. Be sure to like and follow for more. Later, y'all.